What's up, beauty babes, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys can get notifications every time I post a new video. This video is not a hashtag Makeup Monday, but I mean, I was just too excited. I could not wait for this video, okay? I was pumped. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram and Twitter, y'all should do that for one. And two, if you do follow me on those, you probably saw that I got something special in the mail finally. Yeah, so Tarte Cosmetics did a Trippin' with Tarte here in Hawaii, literally just down the street from my house, and they released a new foundation and a new eyeshadow palette. They released the Found Sealer foundation, and then they also released the High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. They have been hinting at this eyeshadow palette for a very long time, and I have been dying to figure out what it was. And they finally released it, and I was like, ooh, damn girl, I need this in my life because she's gorgeous, okay? So, oh yes, this is the unicarton. This is what that kind of looks like. Really pretty, just absolutely gorgeous. And then on the back, it's got all the details with the ingredients and all that fun stuff. Just absolutely gorgeous. So, see the change. Well, this is what she looks like. Ooh, 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 yes, yes, yes. Like, my God, this is like hefty case. Like, oh my God, it is a thick gal, okay? Like, she's thick. And I love how like heavy this feels. It feels like durable and just like, she is a good palette, okay? And besides, like, this is really super cute, the front. Like, let me shake it up. Bubbles! Oh, that's so cute. Let's open her up, shall we? Ready for this? Oh, baby. Oh. When I did my swatch and I posted it on Instagram, I will show you guys here. This is what the video looks like. I'm showing you how beautiful she is. All right, displaying the swatch colors. When I did these swatches, bitch, not only are like all these beautiful matte colors and metallic colors just like super creamy, but these guys, I have never felt anything like these beautiful, I don't even know what they call them. What do they call them? I don't even know. They're like glitter toppers or something. I have no idea what they're like claiming these as, but my God, they are just gorgeous. I have never felt anything like texture-wise as far as eyeshadows go that are anywhere similar to these, and they are gorgeous. I feel like with how these are formulated, you have to either one, take your finger and pack it on, or take a wet packing brush and pat it on. I don't think this is gonna be one that you can just like go to town on. You may or may not need to use like a glitter adhesive. I don't know. We're gonna play with her today though. So I'm so far excited about this. We just primed our eyes and did our brows, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm leaning more towards like these shades right here, the blues, and then these pinks and stuff like this. I'm leaning more towards those, but I want to use this shade, Beach Therapy. I'm gonna use Beach Therapy as like a little transition shade for. That's a really nice warm transition color. Oh, I love that. I think I'm gonna dip into maybe Surf's Up and kind of see how that blends up on that top part. Ooh. And then I'm gonna take Deep Blue, and I'm gonna go just underneath that and kind of define the crease. And I'm gonna go back into Surf's Up with the same brush and just kind of blend out that top part. And I'm going to dip in to dive in right here. Now let's cut the crease. I'm going to pack South Beach in all over where I just cut the crease, and then I will top it with some glitter. So I'm going to take Champagne Beach and Beach Daze. I'm going to put Champagne Beach on the inner corner and then Beach Daze on the like blending out towards the outer corner area. Oh, baby girl. Oh, God. Hi. How are ya? So it's kind of hard to pick up on the brush. Like, it doesn't really show up all the way, so you kind of have to like finesse it into the brush. There's glitter everywhere. Oh my God. I fucked up by touching it. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to bring her up a little bit more. Where the hell? Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I can like try to pick it up with a makeup wipe. A little bit. That kind of worked a little bit actually. Inner. Oh God, that's so pretty on that inner corner right there. I kind of want to pack some more in. Maybe bring it out a little bit more. That's what I'm gonna do. We got glitter everywhere, so we're just gonna pack some more in. Oh my God, I'm loving Champagne Beach. Okay. God, I'm loving it. Like, it's a pain in the ass to get on because like once you place it, don't freaking touch it. It will like explode all over your face. But oh my God, she's gorgeous. Got mascara and eyeliner on. Now I'm going to finish the face and then we'll come back to do the under eye area. Okay, now that I have my face done, God, I am just already feeling myself. We're gonna finish off the under eye look and then pop on some lashes for the final look. I'm gonna dive in and Surf's Up and buff that on the outer corner of my bottom lash line. All right, y'all, this is the final look for the High Tides and Good Vibes Tarte Cosmetics palette. I'm in love with these colors. I think they blend very nicely. However, when I did try to use a wet brush to kind of pack in some of this glitter, it did take off some of the shadow that I had placed down before it. So you kind of gotta finesse with it a little bit. The only downside that I have to kind of complain about is going to be these glitter shades in the center because they're a little different. I love them. Absolutely love them. Like, hello, let's appreciate Champagne Beach for a little bit on that inner corner moment. Like, God, this is beautiful. Like, I feel stunning. But it does take a little bit of finessing to get these glitter shades to work nicely. I used a wet brush for mine. Unfortunately, using a wet brush with those glitter shades kind of did take off some of the coloring of the shadow that I placed underneath, which was that South Beach, and I had to kind of reapply it. So, I mean, it's beautiful. I love these colors. I love how they blend. Like, they're so nice. They're so pigmented. I'm obsessed. I can't stop staring at myself. Oh God, she's gorgeous. Like, look at that champagne on the inner corner. Champagne Beach. I'm living for you. And then that peach color, South Beach, with the Beach Daze glitter on top. Oh my god. Yeah. I love these glitter shades. They're gorgeous. They're definitely a little weird. It feels like, oh gosh, I mean, they're really pretty. They're just super, super pretty. Oh my god, look at those. They're really, really pretty. And like, let's just do a little, we're gonna, whoop. But do you see what I mean? Like, it's literally just loose glitter. That's literally all it is loose glitter. It's loose glitter. This was really awkward. I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh well. So, I'm gonna go take some pictures and then I'm going to film another video because we have some tea to spill. Alright, beauty baes, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my other social media networks like Instagram and Twitter. If you guys like this, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear some feedback in the comments down below. So yeah, are you guys liking this? Are you thinking this is pretty? Are you gonna get it yourself? Let me know. Alright, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.